Okay, are you already on page 128?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
okay, 6.1. 6.1. Grammar, there is and there are. There is and there are. Okay. Okay, Miss Merly, can you please read?
Okay. Use 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 there is plus singular noun.
Singular
There,
noun.
no, teacher, pero es que me sale algo. Espérate un momentico. Lo quito ya. There is a chair here. There is a chair here.
Okay.
Continúo.
Yes.
Use there are plus plural noun.
Noun.
There are two chairs here.
Okay.
Use there is. And there are to say something exists. There's a Spanish class for beginners.
Okay.
The school has a Spanish class for beginners.
Okay.
Use there is, and there are to talk about places
Good.
and things or people in places.
Okay.
There's a gym in the hotel.
The hotel.
The hotel. The
All right.
hotel has a gym.
The hotel has a gym. So we can say the hotel has a gym or there is a gym in the hotel. Okay?
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay, now. So so I'm going to divide the class here. Okay. There is and
There's.
there are. There is and there are. Okay, so remember that English is different from Spanish. English and Spanish, they are both different languages, and we cannot think that we can use Spanish to talk in English. So there is a big difference between English and Spanish in this aspect, in this subject. I'm going to talk in Spanish for a short period of time. Aquí hay una gran diferencia entre el español y el inglés. ¿Por qué? Porque en español solamente hay una sola palabra para expresar lo que existe y nosotros usamos hay. ¿Ok? Hay un carro. Hay 50 carros. Are you listening?
Yes.
Okay. Hay un carro
Yes, yes.
50 carros. Hay the same, hay. No cambia. But in English, it's different. We need to take into account if we are going to talk in singular or in plural. If we are going to talk in singular, we have to use there is. But if we are going to talk in plural, we have to use there are. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So we're going to use there is for singular nouns. Singular nouns. For example, there is a car. There is a car. But if I'm going to talk in plural, I have to use there are. There are 50
There are 2
cars.
cars
There are
or
50
50
cars.
cars.
Okay, or 2 cars, or okay, the number you want to use, it depends the number you have to say. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, it's
Yes.
really easy. Es muy fácil. There is, there are. Lo que tenemos que tener en cuenta es eso, de que en español solo usamos hay, pero en inglés hay 2 formas. There is y there are. There is para singular, there are para plural. Okay. So that was this is affirmative form.
Oh.
Affirmative form. Okay. Now negative question. Let's talk about questions. 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 Remember that with verb be, we don't use any auxiliary verbs. Con el verbo to be no se usan verbos auxiliares do o das. Simplemente, ¿qué tenemos que hacer?
Cambiar el is, ponerlo primero.
Tenemos que switch. And we have to add question mark. And that's all. Example, is there
Is there a car?
Is there a car? Yes, good, Merly. Is there a car? And that's all. ¿Hay un carro? Is there a car? Ahora hay 2 carros. The same. We have to switch.
Are there
Are there
2 cars
5
or 50 cars?
50 cars?
Are there? Okay.
Are there 2 50 cars? Are there 50 cars? Okay. It's okay?
Okay.
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 Nice. Let's continue now with the negative form. Let's continue now with the negative form.
There isn't, there aren't.
Negative. Okay. Remember that in English with the verb be, we don't use any auxiliary verb. No usamos verbos auxiliares, solamente agregamos un
negativo.
¿qué
El dash.
agregamos? Un
El
not.
dash.
There is not. There is not, or there isn't. There isn't a car. There is not, or there isn't a car. Please repeat. There is not.
There is not.
There is
There
not.
is-
It's not.
There isn't.
There isn't.
There isn't.
There isn't.
Okay. There isn't a car. There isn't a car.
There isn't a car.
There
There
isn't
isn't
a
a
car.
car.
All right. Now, there are not, or There aren't. Or there aren't. Okay? There are not or there aren't. There aren't 2 cars. There aren't 2 cars. Please repeat. There aren't 2 cars.
There aren't 2 cars.
Two car.
There aren't 2 cars. Repeat S. Remember S in cars. Cars. We're talking in plural. There aren't 2 cars.
There aren't 2 cars.
Okay. Okay. So we're here. We're back. Now, about questions here. Recuerden que con el verbo to be